Yep.
Okay, so if you put your left hand up facing towards the sky, and you put your right hand facing down the way over the other person's hand, and this is a rhythm game to get you going. So you hit the person's hand, and then you hit your own knees, 1, 2, and then you hit underneath your own hand, and then on top of your own hand twice, 1. So we'll try that again. So you hit the hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again. Now if we turn our hands the other way, so the other one's facing up towards the sky, and we go in the other direction. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one's good if you want to add in a song. Once everybody's got the rhythm going, you can add in some songs and some tunes as well.